Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer videos from Android to PC. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open the Play Store on your Android device. Search for Google Drive and install the app. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Inside the Google Drive app, tap on your profile in the top right corner. If you have multiple accounts, make sure that you are using the same account on both your Android device and PC. Go to the File section at the bottom, tap the plus button to create a new folder. Name it something like Videos Android or any video title that you want to add on your folder. In here, what you want to do is to open the folder and tap the plus button again. Choose Upload to select the videos you want to transfer, and you can select multiple videos by tapping them. When ready, tap Upload. Next step is you want to open your web browser on your PC. Search for Google Drive and access the Google Drive website. Make sure that you are signed in with the same Google account you use on your Android device. Navigate to the folder where you uploaded the videos. You can download individual videos by right-clicking them and selecting Download. If you uploaded multiple videos, you can also select the folder. Right-click and choose Download to download all videos within the folder. Lastly, you want to open your File Explorer on your PC. Go to your Downloads folder where the downloaded videos should be located. You can now watch and organize your transfer videos on your PC. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now transfer videos from Android to PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!